My dad, Leopino Foliaki, was born in Tonga and was in a generation of students that aspired to become doctors. At the time, the government only provided one scholarship to get off the island and train at Fiji School of Medicine. So it was an enormously competitive and challenging scholarship to win, and we're, I guess, very fortunate that he was able to achieve the standard that got him the scholarship and went overseas to study. He came to New Zealand and studied obstetrics and gynecology, and returned to Tonga and set up the first maternity wing of the hospital. And had saved a significant number of lives, mothers and babies, as a result of bringing home modern medicine and helping mums during those difficult times. And then we travelled as a family when we were young to come here to New Zealand to get a better education, and our dad joined us later, but was unable to practice as a doctor here in New Zealand because he hadn't trained in New Zealand. And he became a senior social worker and worked in the Pacific Health via social work, and established a number of organisations. Two that come to mind is Pacific Island Drug and Alcohol Services, PIDAS, and he set up the Tongan Heart Society's first general practice clinic, Langi Māori, and his church-related activities and his community activities. When you put it all together, I guess he made a significant contribution to the Pacific community here in Auckland over the 70s and 80s and 90s. The most important part of his legacy, if I was talking on behalf of all of my family, was just what it means to be truly committed to the well-being of, firstly, your family, and then the community. That sort of commitment and self-sacrifice, I think, is probably part of a legacy of genuine care. He loved contributing, he loved helping, he loved being a part of our community, and I guess growing up as one of the children, it's hard not to be influenced by it. His words of wisdom would be to work hard, be really committed to what you do, try to be your best in what you do, and medicine is such an honourable and noble profession that my dad, I know he'd be particularly proud of the recipients, and we as a family, my dad's name being a part of the scholarship, we also would be really proud of the recipients that received this award, and as a family, we wish them all the very best in their studies and their future endeavours.